Welcome everyone, especially to our fellow science or watching right now. Through this video, we'll be discussing about common monomial factoring and how it could be done. Firstly, we'll be showing some questions or equations. We'll be solving the first questions, but we would also be giving you some time to answer for you to able to test what you have learned. But before we start discussing, based on what you think, how can common monomial factoring or factoring itself help us in our daily life? Feel free to express what you feel, leaving your answers on the comments below. To officially begin, let us know and define common monomial factoring. Common monomial factoring is the process of factoring a monomial through the means of expressing it as a product of two or more monomials. It could be also said that it is the opposite of multiplying, given that you must use the distributive property. Let us also discuss when we could know if a polynomial is already completely factored. We can say that a polynomial is completely factored when the final answer is written as a product consisting of prime factors only.
Here are example equations we will answer for you to be guided and for you to be able to process the steps.
Given is 3x plus 3y, first thing we need to do is to find the greatest common factor of both terms. Given the example, which is 3x plus 3y, let us find out the greatest common factor of 3 and 3. Since they are the same numbers, the GCF must be 3. This means that if the two terms are the same, you could just consider itself as a GCF. Now we have our GCF, we must place it outside the parentheses, or we should write it as the first term for our answer. Then we need to divide the terms from the given equation to the GCF. First term from the equation given is 3x. 3x divided by 3 would be x. The second term from the equation given is 3y. 3y divided by 3 would be y. To organize our answer, we just add a GCF outside, then we put the terms we divided inside the parentheses. The sign between the two terms inside the parentheses would be depending on the given equation. If it shows addition, then the operation inside the parentheses would be addition too.
Equation given is 56a cubed minus 8a. Just like what we did before, we should find the greatest common factor of the two terms. The GCF of 56 and 8 is 8. And in finding the GCF among variables, just take the common between the two. Since the two of them include the variable a, it means that our GCF now would be 8a. But that is not yet done. We also need to find the GCF of the exponents. In finding the GCF of exponents, all you must do is to figure out what has the lowest value. Given that the exponent of a cubed is 3 and the exponent of a is 1, we will select a with the imaginary exponent of 1 to be added to the GCF, which means that the final GCF would be 8a. Then, divide the first term of the given equation to the GCF. 56a cubed divided by 8a is equal to 7a squared. By the way, in dividing exponents, all we must do is to just simply subtract both exponents, which means that 3 minus 1 would be 2. And then, divided the second term of the given equation. 8a divided by 8a is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is 8a parenthesis 7a squared minus 1 parenthesis.
That if the first term from the given equation is negative, don't forget to turn the greatest common factor sign to negative.
To test if the lesson is completely understood, you could try these equations we will be giving. You may pause this video for a while so you could answer. The given are, first is 8x plus 12. Second is 12x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 5, minus 3x cubed, y raised to the power of 4. And lastly, we have 14a squared plus 35a squared. Now, you may pause the video.
Here are the following. For the given of 8x plus 12, the answer will be 4 multiplied with 2x plus 3. Next, for the given of 12x to the power of 4, y to the power of 5 minus 3x cubed, y to the power of 4, the answer will be 3x cubed, y to the power of 4 multiplied with 4xy minus 1. And for the last given equation, which is 14a squared plus 35a squared, the answer will be 7a squared multiplied with 2 plus 5. If you are still confused, you may refer to the given equations given earlier.
Now that you have come to the end of this video, first of all, we wish that you all have learned something educational from this video. Second, we hope that this video helped you learn in solving, especially common monomial factoring. Furthermore, do not forget to like this video and leave a comment to inform us on how we helped you in answering such things. Also, share this to your friends or to anyone who may need it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.